Focused?
Trying to get focused.
You trying to get focused? Would you say you was focused when you was going in? You was on it? You was on it, you were focused?
Nah, not really, honestly.
Not as focused as
I'm not on my shit. Nah, I'm not even focusing right now. This is natural. I don't even need to.
Oh, it's natural?
This is natural right here. I do it in my sleep. My eyes closed.
So that's what you do?
Yeah, that's what I do. Nah, I'm not even focused, honestly. I've been going through mad bullshit. Fuck all that. We came here to rap.
You spit bars in your sleep?
What?
You spit bars in your sleep?
Do I spit bars in my sleep? I don't know, maybe. I don't remember. I'm a heavy sleeper.
Would you say you bodied it?
Nah, yeah, you know what I mean? I'm confident with myself. I feel like all my bars are body. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm better, of course, but I'm not fucking. I'm not upset with myself.
This is Cypher.
I'm chilling. I just worked all day. I can't straight here. I'm fucking. I'm sipping. I'm smoking. No excuse at all. I'm saying I don't give a fuck. This is rap. This is my life. It's natural.
Are you mad? Oh, okay.
Come on now.
Yeah, you bodied it though. That's why I came to you first. You have to catch this man before he swerved up out of here. No, I'm not playing. You thought I was gonna sit around.
What's good?
Nothing, ain't nothing. I'm chilling. I like this.
Yeah, we in here. You know how I do. What do you mean?
Yeah, everybody except for me.
You got family.
But Long Island, we in here, right?
Yeah, we family. Yeah.
All right. You thought you
Cocaine.
bodied it?
What's good? Nah, I did alright.
Everybody's saying they did alright.
I got a second-degree murder. If you know what I'm talking about. I caught a second-degree murder. You know what I mean? I caught a second-degree murder.
Okay.
I'm still getting time
Still getting
for it.
charges. Yeah.
Still getting time
Facing
for it.
charges.
That's a
All right.
fact. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Okay.
But yeah, we in here though, Cocaine. You know what it is. I am Long Island versus everybody. You know what time it is. I am Mr. Cause Controversy. You know what time it is. BKB, we in here. You know what I mean?
This guy always.
Yeah, we can't forget the homie.
The other side
Hey, you
of the
gotta check out our interview too. We did an interview.
Go check out the interview on Wednesday.
Yes, we did.
I mean, on YouTube. The Kurt K interview. It was very controversial, to say the least. Me and the best co-host of all
Yo,
time.
and listen, can I say something?
Nikki New. You can say whatever you like.
That's important.
Yes.
Go when you go check it out. Yeah, I got you. When you go check it out, when you go watch it, when the controversy starts, watch when he go like this. That's how you know the controversy was real.
It was a little bit real.
That's how you know when it was real. He was like this.
Because I knew the question was gonna come up, and I was like, oh shit.
Anyway.
You already know.
He's trying to slide up out of here. That's the right test. What's good? Alright, everybody got sweatshirts and hoodies. Not from me, but I'm repping BKB.
Raised by wolves.
Raised by wolves.
See the old INC.
Violent Sound Mixtape. You want it? This your first time?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
It's part 2. Oh, I didn't know that.
It probably is though. It probably is though.
Did you body it? You went in? Your hardest?
It is what it is. Listen, man, every time we jump
You
in
just light work? Rehearsal?
pretty light, man.
Okay.
Shout out to Reggie
You just want to see what was out there? We can't be fighting against each other. Okay? Long Island versus everybody.
I fuck with Long Island. Shout out to the whole Long
Long Island
Island.
Sound. We all the family.
Shout out to the whole Amityville, C to the O N. Briefcase Boys, me the brothers. I show some love to my nigga. I knew this nigga for a long time. You know what I mean? Banging out here.
I was praying for you.
Good.
I didn't want to talk about this.
What do you want to know?
What's this about? I didn't know. I touched around and I ain't touch it, but you know.
It is what's called like a gemstone rat, right? And it's watermelon tourmalines wrapped in silver and gold wire. I didn't do it, but someone I know did. It took them 24 hours.
That's what's up. So it helped you rap?
I might rap a little. I did a little rap.
Okay.
Perhaps.
I might have missed it.
You might have missed
Maybe I was in the booth.
it. It was quick.
It was good. Did you think you bodied it, even though it was free?
Just a couple things I was thinking, that's all. I got plenty of thoughts, you know.
I can see that about you.
Alright. So yeah, man, my name is Rump, pretty much. That's that. My last name That's what I go by. I'm gonna have to figure out how I register so I don't catch a case by shit that I say on the track.
No.
You know, so I can't be liable, and I'll figure that out.
You just broadcasting your Long Island sound. A little flavor.
Thank you.
That's where you from. But yeah. Farmingdale. Okay. You from it now? Why is everybody like, nobody's catching cases. Nobody wants to go to jail. Nobody's catching cases on Long Island. But we got more bodies out here.
Here's how I look at it. Right?
Than a more.
Watch, peep this. My logic on it is if you spit bars and the bars from the heart, no matter what, you body the bar. So as long as it ain't whack, it's crack. So,
It's not really crack.
No. Yeah, but it is.
He spits crack.
You know.
He spits crack.
I try.
It's not literal.
I knew you were a problem.
You all, ASO, man, Brooklyn, New York. I know what time it is. Shout out to Long Island, Nassau, Suffolk. We out here, man. Big homie Kirk came, man.
Did you body it?
Yeah, body? I don't know. I looked at brothers out there.
Did you feel like you did your best?
No.
Did you give it your all? Well, I don't know what none of y'all was here for. If y'all all felt like you didn't give it your all.
I don't promote how to get.
He just want to get dressed. He don't want to spit bars.
What's up, y'all? Kevlar. Already did my part. I think I did my hardest work ever.
He's the only one that did their hardest today.
Not really. I can do better always.
Front. Everybody that spits bars spits truths and facts from Long Island.
One of the best journalists I've ever had the pleasure to talk with. Briefcase boys, big up.
He bodied it. Everybody bodied it. We'll all catch the charges.